hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New link. Hotter.
Now in this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering where are going to get that money? Oh my, well so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh you can make so much money. And now Newlink just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it will to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money.
Me say, get to Michael. Boy, oh boy, now people. Get to Michael. Me can't believe say you deal with Newlink, you know. Me can't believe say you get to Michael Jackson deal with Newlink people. The man take with 2 women and the man couldn't link Newlink and say Newlink me have one of the woman them fear. Boy, get to Michael. Boy, I tell you people, the man take with 2 Skillibeng woman, you know, and the man couldn't link Newlink and say Newlink. Yo, you see all you Westy, you could link Newlink and say Newlink, and also get to Michael have 2 women and I'm going to give one of them Newlink. Yo. Alright people, put fun and joke aside. Me going to tell you this now. You say get to Michael Jackson. I'm at the hottest thing at Jamaica right now. Me say the youth hotter than even the artists them. And the trending topic right now, get to Michael. And then a joke thing, anyone I feel good and proud of myself is that Newlink was one of the man who see get to Michael and say, yo, on the Lord the youth, make the youth rise, make the youth strive. And at the end people me always say, yo, big up the man with the behind him. Westy, because without Westy people, you would have a get to Michael and you would have the success we have come behind this youth. You know what I mean? I'm so proud of this youth people. They come here tell us, Skillibeng drop a look of video the people with a song, you understand? And I get to Michael star it right through. Me say the man star the thing right through. If you not see the video, I'm going to leave the link below so you can just go on here and see it. But me I tell you, I get to Michael star it right through people. The man take with 2 Skillibeng women and have them in a bed. Breaking news. Yo, but me say I feel aware because Michael could have linked Newlink and said, yo link, you know got one of the girl for you. Hey Newlink, I got one. I say, oh you made money even though you some of them that take a plane and reach there, Michael. No joke thing, you know. But yo, I never say people, big up Michael Jackson. Get to me I talk about, me not talk about no other one. Zane cause the one and only one. This get to Michael the living one. So look at the people, all me have to say too. Me have a big up Ganguly too, you know, not joke, you know. Me not joke. Yeah man, because Ganguly see the talent and take him and put him in a music with the same way. You understand? And big up to all of the people who endorse the youth. You know what I mean? All of the selector them, Lava, Footer, all of them who endorse the youth. Cause me feel proud. You know what I mean? Cause when me see this youth people and people say, yo, you can't dance, you can't sing and you links and look at them and they see your people full. Eh? You see it? This youth is an entertainer. This youth is somebody who put a joy in your life, who put a smile in your life. You have a sad day and you watch Get to Michael, remember your day return happy. That's who Get to Michael is, people. Oh my world, oh my precious Newlink. But me tell the people, me feel a waste still, you know. Get to Michael, yeah, Newlink, I really got to talk about this in the virgin. Because me can't believe you take what, hey, and the woman they look nice now. Like time as me see boss there, the pool to rotted in the video. Me see boss I pool, me see boss I bossy, moonwalk and the girl, I'm dusty there and I say, oh my world. When I time me say Wesley comes up, boom, off the buckle of NEC. And me see Michael just comes up, boom, and grab the NEC. Yo, Michael, you're a star, youth. Remember me tell her every day, you get better and better with your talent, youth. You know what I mean? Me not talk about dancing, because you're a big dancer already, you're a big singer. Remember Newlink tell her that. We are talking about your acting skill is great, brethren. And remember, greater things are coming your way, brother. Only more. One song you're there behind, what's the same way? You understand? Everything is great, because I can tell the people. This brother Wesley. Now I say it to get no hype, now I say it to get no fame or look no strength for nobody. But me is a you who do it with fairness and reality. I mean I know them in person. I mean I know I get to Michael in person. I know we see in person. You understand? Yeah man, me and him talk already and things still. But in the end people, what me I go say, yo, me big and respect him for. You know what I mean? He's a good youth. Because I'm see the youth people and him invest in the youth. And in the end, even though things are going to come in way and him earn things, people, but look at it. No people that see this youth in the street and laugh off him and class him and style him. And this man see it, people, and take, you know what I mean? So, me feel proud of that, people. I'm so good. Take up a youth, have a youth and give him comfort to sleep in a nice place and think of the youth mother drop out and think, people. So, me feel so good. Me feel so when me see things that come that youth away, yo, me just want every success coming away, people. And remember, Jamaicans support this youth. People in the USA support him. Canada get to Michael. As soon as the thing open up fully, I'm wanting to book that youth. Because I can tell us that the people over the world love him so much already. You understand? The people love this youth so much. Remember me telling you when in the book get to Michael, he might come mash up the place. He might come done the place. And you see the artist them, Skilly Bang, a big tune drop. Now you gonna tell you this, you see, anytime you go perform that tune, whether overseas or Jamaica, bring Ghetto Michael with you. You understand? Bring Ghetto Michael with you. Anyway, you go do the performance of Skilly Bang. Remember, you willing to tell you that because youth, Michael, in South Africa, no joke about it, Skilly. So anytime you go perform it, just bring Ghetto Michael with you, Skilly. Remember, you willing to tell you, yo, the thing shot. Me love it. See? 100 out of 100 me get. And people, you don't know the thing, man. But that's what I know, as me telling you, support the youth. Support him. Right through. Non-stop. You get me? I say, on a daily basis, on a nightly basis, get to Michael all the way, get to Michael all the way. Yo, the man shot. No joke thing. So you don't know the thing of yours and subscribers. But at the end of the day, you understand, and they're going to do a video shoot and thing. You know what I mean? When I'm an artist, I'm a video shoot and don't know when the whole link gonna be the star of the video, so I have to check out the video when the job people. I can tell us the song alone when not hear the tune people. Yo, me are telling the people this video gonna be hectic. You know what I mean? Starring New Link, no joke thing from the artist, Lyricam, so no look out for it, people. It a go shot, it a go bad. Remember New Link telling the people. And New Link can go support the real ones, them, you know. You understand? When I deal with the fake ones, them. So for your real, and you link New Link and your real, New Link will say, boom, come in, work. You understand, people? But once you're a real New Link, then that. So, yeah, man, a big video shoot to the people right now. I'm way me there. I go, you understand? Yeah, man, right. You see my face look like how I look. Don't know me do so all line up and thing. I'm line up myself still, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I will set myself people and thing. You know what I mean? Because we got one of the artists video. Yeah, me look, clear and thing, not true? Yeah, man, I don't know what the thing goes. So, big up on the 7 number viewers and my subscribers. And enough love, man, and enough respect. And just keep on attacking same way. Don't stop attack. You know what I mean? And we say attack. And when I say attack in our body, it's in a good way, you know what I mean? But once of them forget the real attack, when them do the things are wrong, they're gonna do what? Okay, when I finish that for my people. So you don't know, man, enough love and enough respect, people. And me late still, you know. Me late, me out the day, 50 minutes behind, because I'm started there already, but they understand. Just tell them, say, yeah, we're gonna, don't know, so the stars sometimes gotta run. Like, but I just say, accept my people, I just love, man, I just love. You get me, I say? Don't make nobody steal a joy, man. Just try to be happy. You get me, I say, people? Because in this world, the devil send a lot of people to steal a joy. If the one them who should be close to you. You know what I mean? But don't let nobody steal a joy. Just be happy. You get me, I say? Now that will say people. So you don't know, man, but they are right on the scene and thing. Right, them reach and all people. You get me, I say? So the only thing when you link I gotta do is just park up the ride now. That's it. Because them say video time and video thing. And thing. You know what I mean? The people, so. I just love and respect, man. I don't know when we say attack. You see it? On a daily basis, so. Big up on yourself again, man. Peace, respect. You get me? You wanna do things, see that's the car them the people. Be a car and thing. There. You know what I mean? So those are back it in and so. You know what I mean? Try to get a good park over there. So me tell her it's an accident or the and thing, so I really wanna get no more liquor now, you know, people, because I wait for the police report there. So I know I mess up the insurance thing. I wish the insurance are thieves still. I don't know. Alright, man. Big up. Attack. Peace out.